What? Someone sent me a Supreme shirt in the mail? Yo! Let's go! Supreme shirt, baby! Hey yo, A-Team, what's poppin'?
Hey, what is up, 18ers guys? I'm back with another video for you guys. It's been a while since I posted on YouTube, like about a month or so. Sorry for not posting for I've been really busy lately, but I'm back, guys, with another video for you guys. But today, before that, guys, make sure you're smiling, make sure you're dabbing on them haters, enjoying what you're doing, guys. There's always gonna be haters, so enjoy what you're doing. Work hard, be yourself, guys, be you. But speaking of today, guys, a couple weeks ago I ordered some merchandise, some merch of Logan Paul. You guys might know him, one YouTuber, but I ordered some merch of his. He had a big sale on his website for like $10 for his merchandise. So I ordered some to review it because there's a huge buzz around his merch. So I thought I'd do that for you guys. But as always, guys, let's get into the review, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys. So I already opened the package up right now. As you can see, got the Maverick logo right there. Be a Maverick, you know, whatever. Be a Maverick. Maverick. That's how you do it. Maverick. And so I ordered 3 shirts today. Got so you got a red shirt for you guys with the Maverick logo with the little rainbow color right there. What we got in here? Got another shirt. It says Maverick on there. This is straight up Maverick, and then let's see what we got. Another shirt, I think. Let's see what we got here. We got another shirt in here. It has the Maverick logo like that. So let's see what else. Maverick by Logan Paul. Ooh, bro, this is nice. Freaking nice, not only sticker right there, but that's a freaking nice logo right there. Nice sticker. It's pretty nice. So the looks of it looks pretty nice to me. Let's open it up real quick. Open it up and let's see how it does. His claim is that he has the softest, hottest merch in the game. So let's see. Let's put it to test. Let's feel it out. Alright, it is pretty soft. So this is the t-shirt right here, guys. Maverick. Got the logo right there. Pretty nice. It's like it's not a black, but it's like a grayish. It's like a charcoal, I think, charcoal color. But it looks pretty nice. It was pretty nice. Seems pretty legit. It doesn't just seem cheap. It seems legit. So if you can feel it, everyone feel it out there. Can you guys feel it right there? Feel the soft. So I got some other shirts right here. Got another shirt right here, boys. Let's see. We can Alright, let's see. We got another shirt right here. The Maverick logo. It's a long shirt. I mean, long sleeve shirt. But this also seems pretty legit. Soft. Also very soft. It seems very comfortable when I wear it, but we'll see how it fits for me. And then we got another shirt. Let's see what we got. We got another shirt. We got the red one. Kind of like this. This color looks pretty legit to me. Let's see what we got here. So, ooh, this feels real nice. Got another long sleeve shirt. Maverick logo. Look at that vibrance, bro. I don't know if you guys can tell but the camera, but in person, colors stand out, yo. Straight up. But as far as the quality, man, the quality seems real well. I haven't worn it yet or washed it yet, so we'll see. Put it to the test. But his Logan Paul's merch seems real legit. He got the straight up like Maverick Logan Paul thing right here. It says like that right there. LoganPaul.com/shop. But let's see. Tri-blend polyester and cotton. So he has a legit clothing line. So shout out to Logan Paul, man. He's doing great work as far as clothing goes on YouTube. But so you guys don't know what that means. New clothes, cue that's in, my baby.
See that, want that, bring it back. 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 Now we start the fire. A rapper walks into a 16 bar with big lean arms, starts singing to a pink guitar. People begin listening, they think he's hard. They ask him where the hell's he from? Is he from these parts? I'm a cowboy down from outer space, sent to set a precedent. I'm the rhyme minister, the first rap president. From crew to Connecticut, the music I make it resonates with the residents. I'm top show billing with the flow so thrilling. Winning with the big win, I'm stone cold chilling. Ring a ding dong, I'm incoming. Come again, suckers, if you want some honey. Go nuts like a last mag. From the tables in the stack, set out to the grandstand. You know we smash that. Let me break it down, yo. We ain't around. See that, want that, get that, bring it back. Now we start the fire. See that, want that, get that, bring it back. Now we start the fire. See that, want that, get that, bring it back. Now we start the fire. See that, want that, get that, bring it back. Now we start the fire. See that, want that, bring it back.
Alright guys, so that is the video, guys. Sounds like some clothing. Feels good. Tested out all three shirts. The red one, the charcoal gray with the long sleeve. This is the third one I got. The Maverick, just the Maverick one. Just Maverick right there. Feels comfy. Really form-fitting. Doesn't look buff in the games, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get some body. Still trying to work out, man. Still getting in the lab, but the shirts feel good. They feel comfortable. They feel soft, man. So props to Logan Paul for producing some nice quality shirts. So if you guys want to go with some shirts for yourself, y'all know where to get it. LoganPaul.com/shop. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to go check it out. If you guys want, if you're interested in purchasing some t-shirts for yourself. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, smash that thumbs up button, guys, down below. If you didn't enjoy it, I don't really care. Hit the thumbs down button if you want. Up to you guys, but I would appreciate you guys if you drop that like down below. As always, guys, if you're not subscribed to the A-Team, guys, what you're doing with your life, change your life right now and be transformed. Change your life right now and join the A-Team right now, guys. Subscribe down below, hit that red button. After you do that, guys, hit that small little bell right there. The small little bell. The little Tinker bell right next to the subscribe button. Hit that little bell so you know when I post. You get notifications to your phone. I post my videos, my next videos. So do that for me, guys. Make sure to subscribe. The little notification button right there. Do it for me, guys. Much appreciated. Props to the A-Team, guys. Thanks for supporting me. Thank you for all the love, hate, all the love and hate. Pretty much appreciated, guys.
Yeah.
As always, guys, thank you for watching, guys. And I'll see you all on the next one.
Peace.
See that, want that, bring it back. 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 Now we start the fire.
So guys, before I forget, today's shout out goes to my man Rose. He's an up-and-coming rapper, guys. He has a song on Spotify right now, on SoundCloud. I'll put the links down below. Go check him out, guys. He has a fire song. Go check it out. Go support him. His rapper name is Rose, or Roz, or whatever. Rose, I think is what it's called. But go support him. Go listen to his song. So shout out to him, guys. And thank you for watching. Peace.
Come again, suckers, if you want some